Is an annoying hiss or a background hum ruining your perfect audio recording? Today, I'm going to show you how to completely eliminate that noise in Adobe Audition in just a few simple clicks. Let's get started. First, open your audio file in Adobe Audition. Now, listen closely and find a small section, maybe 1 or 2 seconds long, where you can only hear the background noise with no talking.
Is your perfect audio recording being ruined by an annoying background hiss?
This is your noise print, and it's the secret to this whole process. Highlight just that small section of pure noise with your mouse. Next, go to the top menu and click on Effects. Go down to Noise Reduction/Restoration and select Noise Reduction Process. A new window will open. In this window, click the big button that says Capture Noise Print. Audition now knows exactly what sound to eliminate, so you can close this window for now. Now, we need to select all the audio we want to clean. The easiest way is to press Ctrl+A to select everything. For the final step, go back to the exact same effect, fix Noise Reduction and Noise Reduction Process. This time, just click the Apply button at the bottom, and just like that, Audition will scan your entire file and eliminate the noise you selected. And there you have it, clean, crisp, professional audio with no distracting background noise. If this tutorial saved your audio, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more editing tips.